$500 a month in AI income. Real effort, real results. Here is what nobody prepares you for. In 2 years, that number will still be $500, and you will still be trading the same hours to get it. Right now, the most common AI income model is this. Use AI to deliver work faster, charge clients for the output. Writing, design, automation. The freelance model. It works in month 1. By month 6, something quietly changes. This is the AI freelance ceiling. After 6 months, most AI earners plateau between $800 and $2,000 a month. Not because clients vanish, because the ceiling is structural. You ran out of hours. Every client booking your AI work is converting it into business value worth 10 times your rate. You pay $50 an hour. They capture $500 in output value. Your AI skill is making them wealthy. You are staying busy. This is the AI time prison. You can only earn while you work. Your income does not compound. It simply replaces what you spend. Year 3, you are doing exactly what you did in month 3. Same rate, same hours, just older. Here is where the math becomes impossible to ignore. The average AI-assisted freelancer earns $1,400 a month after 12 months. Upwork data, Fiverr data, $1,400. Real income. What happens to it next is where the 20-year gap begins. What if you took $600 of those $1,400 and invested it every month at 7% annual return? Not crypto, a broad index fund. $600 every month for 20 years. Run the math. In 20 years, $520,000, $600 per month, compounded for 20 years at 7%, becomes $520,000. That is what your AI income is capable of building if it compounds instead of disappearing. But here is what actually happens. Month 2, better laptop. Month 4, AI course. Month 7, upgraded desk. Month 12, same income, 0 invested. 20 years pass. The compound math never started because the money never waited long enough. This is the compound gap. The AI freelancer earns the same income as the investor, $1,400 a month, but spends it. After 20 years, 0 compound wealth. The investor ends with $520,000. The gap is not talent. It is what happens to the income after it arrives. What if the model itself generated income that does not require your hours? Income that scales while you sleep, and then gets invested on top of that. This model exists, and it starts with a different question about how you deploy your AI skills. The distinction is AI income versus AI equity. AI income pays you once per hour worked. AI equity, the assets you build with AI, pays you for every hour that passed before this moment. Freelancing builds income. Asset building builds equity. Equity compounds. AI asset building means using AI tools to build income systems, things that pay you whether you work that day or not. 3 categories dominate this space right now. Each one starts with AI tools you likely already have. Category 1, faceless AI YouTube channels. AI writes the scripts. AI assists the visuals. You publish consistently in one niche. At 4,000 subscribers, monetization begins. $300 to $900 a month in AdSense. No camera, no face, no invoice. Category 2, digital products built with AI. A prompt library, a workflow template, a niche mini guide, built in a weekend, listed on Gumroad or Etsy, promoted once. Generates $200 to $600 a month from repeat purchases and organic search traffic. Category 3, an AI-curated newsletter. AI aggregates and summarizes content in your niche. You edit and ship twice a month. At 5,000 subscribers, sponsorships start $300 to $600 per issue, $600 to $1,200 a month from writing 2 emails. Combined, these 3 AI asset categories generate $1,000 to $2,000 a month by month 18. No client invoices, no hourly billing, no competing on price against newer AI tools. The income runs whether you work that day or not. Run the same compound math on the asset builder. They invest $1,000 per month from passive income. Same 20 years, same 7%. $1,000 a month becomes $650,000 versus the freelancer's 0. That is the gap. And here is what the freelance model structurally cannot access. As AI assets grow, part of the income reinvests into expanding them. More products, better promotion, larger distribution. This is the AI flywheel, income that generates more income without proportional effort. The freelancer adds one more client. The builder adds one more asset. By year 5, the picture is clear. The AI freelancer, $70,000 earned over 60 months of active work. Asset value, 0. The AI builder, $3,000 a month passively by year 3. Asset portfolio worth $60,000 to $90,000. Same 5 years, different futures. The tools are the same. ChatGPT, automation platforms. The skills are the same. Writing, research, workflow design. The only variable is whether your AI skill builds income that compounds or income that disappears. One keeps you in the AI time prison, the other buys your time back. Action 1. This week, pick one category, not all 3. 1. Write one AI YouTube script. Build one digital product. Draft one newsletter issue. Ship one thing. The first asset is the hardest. The 10th is automatic. Action 2. Set up automatic investing before you spend $1 of AI income. Open a brokerage account. Set a standing transfer for 40% of everything that comes in. The $600 you compound this month is worth more in 20 years than any tool subscription you will ever buy. Action 3. Track AI income separately. Its own account. Its own growth chart. Watch it move from 200 to 400 to 1,000. You cannot build AI equity without seeing it grow. And once you see it growing, protecting it becomes automatic. You already have the skills that make this possible. The only variable is how you deploy them, is income that disappears or equity that compounds. Subscribe to mofmoney for the exact AI income systems and asset building frameworks. New video every week.